Alright YouTube, here we are in Palace Station, 18022, City View, 2 queen beds. Basically you walk in, got a mirror so you can check yourself on the way out. The requisite hangers, ironing board, that's kind of nice. Obviously your suitcase thingy. I'm not that fancy enough to know what they call them. Okay, back to the room. We'll work our way around. I understand they remodeled these 2, 3, 4 years ago, and I'm no architect, but they seem like they did a nice job, nice and contemporary. Anyway, so you got the double bed. Nothing fancy, no iPod docking station, no Android plug-in or anything like that, unfortunately. Basic phone and your scribble pen. Second queen bed, basic artwork. I'm going to get to the view in a minute though. That's why you want this room. That's why you want to be up this high and on the city view side of the building. Okay, so couple of chairs, relatively comfortable. I'm going to sit and have the TV on while I read a magazine or two, relax before I go down and clean out the casino. So we've got another mirror. Desk has a nice sized chair and some decent work rooms. So if you need to get a little bit of work done, you're in business there. Got a nice full-size mirror above it for those of you that either want to look good or with your significant other. Basic, I don't know, is this Asian design? Somebody tell me in the comments. The only real bad thing about this, the room, this TV is great. I don't know, I think it's 50 inches or something like that. It's not HD. It's an HD television, but the picture is not in HD, so that's something they probably want to fix. Obviously a little bullet bourbon, that's for me, they didn't leave that one. Turning around, let's check the bathroom out. Got the door to the adjoining room if you're having a couple people getting together, getting a couple rooms together. So you're into the granite countertops, basic soap, and what do we got here? Whatever that is, body lotion. Fixtures, a little typical shaving gear. Got the lights, nothing special. Pretty much your basic bathroom. Flipping around here, coming back to the floor is tile. Nice touch. By the way, the carpet is, it's hotel carpet. It's not bad. Anyway, nice tiled bathroom with basic, what do we got here? Just basically your shampoo and your conditioner. So, you know, it's like tile from a home that was built a few years ago. Nothing special about the tub. Nothing really special about the shower head. On the flip side, I guess what is good, and nothing sucks, but I mean, what is good is two things. You can get this room for like 25, 35 bucks a night. This is your city view room, and like I say, it all actually looks a whole lot bigger from here than it does on the camera, and that is just spectacular. You literally are all the way around from the Win and Encore all the way down to the Rio and the Palms, panoramic and all the way the other way, including to where I live, which is somewhere right over there. Alright YouTube, AccessVegas.com. Take care.